Hey guys, greetings to you all and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am doing a laundry folding. I had to wake up early in the morning of a Saturday, did this laundry. It got dry so quickly and I hanged it off so that I can put it away immediately. I didn't want to put it in a laundry basket because I will be getting lazy to fold it the very same day. I was just tired. I had some cleaning to do and laundry folding also. It is so satisfying to see your space being getting together, organized. So let's get down and unhang the laundry so that we can go and put it away. Now let's have a conversation down below the comment section. When doing laundry, how do you prefer your day to be? Do you do your laundry, fold it, or let me just say you do your laundry, when it dry, you iron it, fold it and put it away the very same day. Now because of space, I am forced actually. I'm forced to pack it away the very same day. But sometimes I struggle to do that because I will be tired or I'll be doing other things. Because you know, when you are a mom, you are doing a lot of things at the same time. Even if you are not a mom, if you are a woman, we are meant to be multitasking. It's in our genes. So the day gets overwhelmed. How do you tackle your laundry? Do you do everything at the same day or you portion it into days depending on how your day looks like? Now here, what is left is two jeans that the back pockets are not yet dry and le mashelana le ke thiba ka ona mo lebating ruri batho ba modimo. Yes, and now we are folding the laundry. Let's get down to folding the laundry. Some of the people prefer to iron their laundry before they fold them, like they iron and fold at the same time. But me, I do not iron. I iron as I go. So I will fold and put them in their respective places. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Consider yourself subscribing. Do not leave here without giving this video a thumbs up for as long as you enjoy this kind of content. For those who are here for the longest time, I thank you. New members, I thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I am promising you to give you this kind of content that will motivate you in your everyday life for as long as I am still able to do that. So let's get down and fold the laundry. I hope you get more motivation to fold your laundry too.
Gone somewhere and dyed my hair now. Wanna be alone. It's much to bear and you don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all of what you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you'll beg me, please. Hey. Now I stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away. I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you. Now wanna be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you. You wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all of what you said to me. I get you, get you, get you, get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, get you, get you. Now you'll beg me, please. Hey. Now I stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I stay away. I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for folding your laundry with me, or you got motivated for your folding. And thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for commenting, liking, and doing all those things that you should be doing. I love you, and I will see you again in the next video. Thank you and bye.